Hello students, in this video we are going to start a new chapter, new lesson, 5th, operators in Java. Operator is a symbol which takes one or more operands to perform a certain operation. Here, operands word may be new for you. So for this we take an example. For suppose you have to perform the addition operation between 10 and 5. So we write the statement in this way. This statement is known as expression. An expression is the combination of operator and operands. So in this expression 10 and 5 both are operands. So how can we define the term operands? We can say operands are the values on which an operation is going to be performed on the basis of operator. So here in this expression you can see there are two operands 10 and 5 and plus is one of the operator. After the execution of this statement we have s is equal 15. So here you can see equal is also one of the operator and 15 is one of the operand. So in simple words we can say operands are the values. Operands are the literals. Now we talk about the forms of operators. When we talk about the forms of operators, so here you can see there are three forms of operators: unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. Unary operator, as the name implies, unary means one. The operator which needs only one operand is called unary operator. For example, plus, minus, plus plus, minus minus, etc. Here, suppose if we write a is equal 10. So the plus sign is the default. You may use or you may not be used. But if you want to take the value of a is negative, so you will have to write a is equal minus 10. So you can see here 10 is one of the operand, single operand, one operand, and along with this operand, this operator is used. Plus plus and minus minus, these are the increment or decrement operators. You will study about these operators later. Next is binary operator. As the name implies, binary means 2. So the operator which needs two operands. For example, plus, minus, greater than, less than, is greater than, equal, less than, equal, etc. These are the binary operators. For example, suppose as we have used one statement a is equal 10 plus 5. So here you can see 10 and 5. There are two operands and plus is one of the operator. So this operator is used between two operands. That is why this is the binary operators. Suppose if we have to perform the subtraction, so we can write a is equal 10 minus 5. Here minus sign is used with single operand. So here minus is an unary operator. But here minus is used with two operands. So in this case we can say minus is also one of the binary operator. If we have to Find out the greatest value between 10 and 5. So we write 10 is greater than 5. Here greater than is one of the operator and it used two operands. So these are few examples which shows the concept of binary operator. Now third is ternary operator. So in case of ternary operators, ternary represents 3. So the operator which needs 3 operands to form an expression, to form a statement. So Java provides the combination of question mark and colon. These are ternary operators. Here in this expression, when we write an expression along with the ternary operator, so here you can see operand 1 question mark, operand 2 colon, operand 3. So here you can see there are 3 operands, operand 1, operand 2 and operand 3 along with these ternary operators. But you have to keep one thing in your mind. In case of ternary operator, ternary operators are always used in the sense of if then else. That is why ternary operators are used to write the statement in which operand 1 is one of the condition. If condition is true, so control goes to the operand 2. If condition is false, so control move to the operand 3. So here you can see there are 3 operands. That is why these are known as ternary operators. Thank you.